Does your life feel like it's on fire? Miss deadlines, messy room, endless tabs open in your brain? You're not lazy, you're just unorganized. Here's how to fix it in 7 days. Day 1. Clear your space. Your environment is a mirror of your mind. Clean your desk, make your bed, and trash the clutter. Day 2. Capture everything. Write down every task, idea, and commitment swirling in your head. Day 3. Prioritize. Not all tasks are equal. Mark the top 3 things that matter most today. Day 4. Time blocks. Schedule your day in chunks. Work, rest, meals, exercise. Day 5. Build systems. Create simple rules. Laundry on Sundays, meal prep on Mondays, review goals on Fridays. Day 6. Digital declutter. Delete unused apps. Organize your files and clear your email inbox. Day 7. Review and reset. Every week, reflect. What worked, what didn't. Adjust and keep going. Order creates freedom. When your world is in control, your mind is free to focus on what matters. From chaos to control, the choice is yours. Like this video, subscribe for more life-changing habits, and tell me, what's the first thing you'll organize today? Comment below.